Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to set up and program a 2-sensor ATO function for your ProfiLux 4 controller. The steps we'll be taking in this video will require you to have a pump for ATO purposes, 2 sensors, either float or optical, and an available socket on your power bar. To get started, connect the GHL float or optical sensors to an available level port on your P4. Be sure to take note what color ports on the P4 you are connecting the sensors to. If one or both sensors are connected to the purple port, it is connected to level 1 and 2. If one or both are connected to the green port, it is connected to level 3 and 4. If you're connecting these sensors to an expansion card, the level port numbering will continue beyond level 3 and 4. For example, if you have a PLM 4-level expansion card, the level numbering would be 5 and 6 for one port and 7 and 8 for the second port. Since there are 2 sensors involved in this setup, you can either connect each sensor to its own port directly on the P4, or you can use a splitter cable and connect both sensors to a single port on the P4. If you'll be using a splitter cable, keep in mind that the level sensor numbering is automatically assigned to the first and second number of the level port. For example, when 2 level sensors are connected to level 1 and 2, one end of the splitter cable will be level sensor number 1, and the other would be level sensor number 2. Once you've connected the sensors to a P4 level port, go to the level settings page and select an unused control circuit. Click on the operation mode drop-down arrow and see that there are a couple dual sensor ATO options to choose from. The option you select will depend on what you'd like to do with these 2 sensors. Select min-max control if you want to use each sensor as a minimum and maximum point for your water level control. With this option, sensor 1 is the maximum point and sensor 2 is the minimum point. The moment sensor 2 detects a low water level, the assigned power bar socket will turn on. When normal water level is reached, the socket will turn off. Select ATO with 2 sensors if you want to use 2 sensors to register the same water level. With this option, the assigned power bar socket will only turn on when both sensors detect a low water level. Once you've selected the operation mode, set the desired maximum on time. The time you enter here is a fail-safe feature for this function. This is the amount of time you'll allow the ATO function to complete. If for any reason the ATO function does not complete or turn off within this set time, the ProfilLux will automatically turn off the connected pump and trigger an alarm. If you want the sensors that cause the alarm to be automatically reset, check this box. Doing so will automatically reset the alarm when the sensors have detected normal operating conditions. If you want the ATO function to be always on, leave this box checked. Otherwise, uncheck the box and select the timer that will be responsible for determining the on-off times for the ATO function. The next step is to select the sensor numbers that will be used for this function. For example, if you have both sensors connected to the level 1 and 2 port via a splitter, select 1 and 2. Same rules apply if your sensors are connected to the level port 3 and 4, 5 and 6, so on and so forth. Once that's done, type in a description in both fields and click OK. If you'd like to set a specific reaction time for these sensors, you can do so here. Just click 3 times fast on the sensor of choice, enter the desired reaction time in seconds, then click Save Changes. Now that you've created the ATO function, it's time to assign that function to a specific outlet on your power bar. Go to the Switch Channels and Outlets page and select the socket where you have the ATO pump connected. Set the function to Fill Water ATO Only. The number here corresponds to the control circuit number you used when you created the ATO function. For example, since we used control circuit number 1, we would select number 1 here. If we had used control circuit number 2, we would select number 2. With that done, type in a description in both fields, click OK, then Save Changes, and you're done. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you have any questions for us or need further support, feel free to reach out to us on our GHL support forum or by email at info@ghlUSA.com. Until next time folks, take care.